Hey everybody, welcome to Gaitan's Kitchen, outdoors at Copa Wildlife Refuge in Arizona. I'm Sharon Gaitan. I'm going to be cooking pepperoni pizza. It's quick and easy. It also has hatch chili, honey, garlic, aioli sauce. It's super simple to cook this outdoor. So let's start cooking. Start up by heating up the pepperoni. Caramelize the onions. Use pre-made store-bought pizza crust or flatbread of your choice. I'm using Trader Joe's pizza crust. Brush the crust with olive oil. Add marinara sauce. Brush it on. Add mozzarella cheese. Add the red onions. And add the pepperoni. Cover the pizza until cheese has melted and crust is golden. Add some tomatoes if you want some vegetables. Once the cheese has melted, you can add some cilantro. When the cheese has melted, you can add the hatch chili, honey, garlic, aioli sauce, which makes the pizza really great, and you can link to the sauce up above or below.